Meet Rafael, a boy from Spain. His father owned hotels. His mother was a famous chef. He lived in a big house, had a private tutor, and traveled every summer. Everyone thought Rafael would be successful. But Rafael had a secret: he was not good at school. He failed many tests. He forgot homework. He didn't like reading. And he hated English. At age 14, Rafael had to write an English essay. He wrote, "I don't like English. English is boring. Why do I need it?" His teacher gave him an F. And a note: English is not just a subject. It's a key to the world. Rafael laughed. "A key? I already have everything," he said. But deep inside, he wasn't sure. When Rafael was 16, his family took a trip to New York. They stayed in a luxury hotel. But Rafael was bored. So he went to a coffee shop near Central Park. There, he met a girl named Lena. She was reading a book in English. He said, "Hi." She smiled and replied, "Hi. You're not from here, are you?" Rafael wanted to talk more. But his English was bad. He didn't know what to say. He just smiled and said, "Yes. I like coffee." Lena laughed. "That's nice," she said kindly. And Rafael felt embarrassed. That night, he thought about it. He had money. He had clothes. But he didn't have words. Words to connect. Words to share ideas. Words to be himself, in English. He remembered his teacher's note: English is a key. Maybe it was true. So Rafael started to learn. Not because of grades. Not because of school. But because he wanted to connect. He watched English YouTubers. He listened to music. He used subtitles. He made a TikTok account and posted in English, 1 sentence a day. His friends made fun of him. "Why are you trying so hard? You don't need this. You're rich already." But Rafael just said, "I want to be rich in skills too." Slowly, Rafael improved. He made online friends. He joined a virtual debate club. He started reading books, real books, in English. At 18, Rafael decided to study communication in college, in Canada. His father said, "Are you sure? You were never good at school." Rafael said, "That was the old me. In Canada, things were hard. People spoke fast. Essays were long. Professors didn't care if you had money, only if you had effort." Rafael worked every day. He stayed up late. He joined writing workshops. He even worked at the campus radio to practice speaking. And slowly, he became good. Very good. 4 years later, Rafael gave a speech at graduation. He said, "When I was 14, I failed English. When I was 16, I couldn't speak to someone I liked. But today, I speak to all of you, because I didn't give up." People clapped. Some cried. Because they saw something special, not a rich boy. Not a spoiled kid. But someone who chose to grow. Now, Rafael runs his own media company. He helps brands from different countries tell their stories, in English. He travels, speaks, teaches, and inspires. He tells students, success isn't about where you start. It's about what you choose to become. And yes, he even reconnected with Lena. This time, they talked for hours. In English. What do you think about Rafael's journey? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this story with someone learning English too. Let's grow together.